Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can recover your SPF3 if you have incorrectly flashed the wrong firmware to it. If you have done this, you would know that when you plug it in, you may not get any light indicator here and it will not connect. We get this error here. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to use one of these, which is a USB TTL adapter, and we're going to connect this via wires to UART1, which is here, to the right side of the USB. So we're going to unplug. If you look on these, they come with RXD, TX, 5 volts and ground. Some may come with 3.3, but you want to use the 5. They might have a jumper on here which selects 5 and 3 volts. You want to select the jumper for 5 volts or it's not going to work. Fat finger syndrome. Okay. First thing you want to do is connect your ground to the negative on the UART. 5 volts to the positive on the UART. You now want to connect your RX, which is this one, to the TX on the UART port, and you want to connect the RX, the TX to the RX on the board, like so. You also want to use a jumper pin or a piece of wire, anything that you have, and you want to jump the 2 pins here where it says boot. Put that back together there because that's silly. Okay. Then what you're going to do, you're going to plug that into your USB. On Betaflight, you're going to go to firmware flasher. You're going to select the correct board here and your firmware that you wish to use. You're going to select no reboot sequence, full chip erase. You're going to set your manual baud rate to 115/200. Then you're simply going to click load firmware. And then you're going to click flash firmware. Okay, that was successful at that time. As you can see now, I have a flashing light to say that the flashing was successful and that this may be the correct firmware for this board. So what we need to do now is to unplug from there, remove the wires and the FTDI adapter, remove the boot pin, connect in the normal way, like so, and we have activity again, and we click connect, and our board is working again. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe.